Morning. I am Soumya Sarva. Today I am going to discuss about the multi-threading. So multi-threading is a process in which multiple threads execute at the same time is called multi-threading. So in this, let's see some examples. Let us consider IRCTC. So in this, there will be so many customers in one time. At that time, everyone needs the tickets. So when customer want to book a ticket, so that time he requests some details. So once if he requests the details, at the same time it is responding. Even at the same time, the customer 2 is also requesting. Like that, there are several members they are requesting. It is responding. So this is a task which there are multiple threads. At a time it will perform. So this is called multi-threading. Now coming to the multitasking. In multitask, suppose we consider one PC. In that we are opening some folder. This is one task, and at the same time we are playing some music. This is task number 2. At the same time we want to see some pictures also. Again we go for the other folder. So this is task 3. Multitasking is it will perform multiple tasks at the same time. This is the multiple tasking. So what is the difference between these are? As I said, one task will perform multiple threads. In here there are multiple tasks. This is one difference. And the second difference is that here the CPU switches between the threads. This means that in thread, once if someone is requesting here, if he may get late to send some details, he may get give some numbers, like some details. If he get, it will store some values, store the data and details we get. It will store. Then he may respond. He may request. At the same time, it will. So no, it won't delete the data. It will store the data. At the same time, it is switches between. This CPU switches between the thread. This means the switches between thread. And here it switches between tasks. It switches between tasks means it once if we are playing the music, so that it won't stop. It will be in a back stage. So we can, while music we can see after this also. This is between the switch between the task. And the third difference is only one task is performing, then a memory allocation is done only for this task. And here there are several tasks, so there are memory allocation for every task. There are 3 tasks performing, so there will be a memory allocation for separate memory allocation for this, and for this. For every task there will be a separate memory location. So let's go for life cycle of a thread. Let us start about life cycle of the thread. When we create a thread, it will be in a new state. Then it move into a runnable. Then into the running. In between we may have waiting state. Then last is a dead. Once thread is created, it will be in a new state, and when it converts to runnable state. What runnable state is that? It is called by a start method. It is called by a start method, and then it starts its operation. Here in the running state, then it starts the operation. Once it start executing the program, it will move into the running state. Then it comes to the waiting state. That what waiting state is? In this state, it will be for synchronizing. what is synchronizing is that if one thread is executing until another thread should be in a waiting list. So this is the waiting state. Then once the execution is over, then it will be in a death state. For example, I will give some music. We are playing some music. Then we select the music which we want. We select, that is in a new state. This is in a new state which we are selecting the music. When we click to start, when we start, it will be in a runnable state. We are calling the start method, like it is a starting which we are clicking the button. It's like a start method. Then it will start its operation. Like when we start, it will starting its operation. It will be playing music. While it is playing, from runnable state it will come for a running state, which song is playing, goes on playing, it is a running state. If suppose in between we stop, pause the music, then it will be in a waiting state. Until and unless we start, it won't start. Otherwise we can change the music also, we can change the playlist. So it is like a waiting state. Once the music is over, it is in a dead state. This is the life cycle of the music. We can achieve threading by two classes. First one is that by extending the thread class, and second one is by implementing the interface. We can achieve threads in two ways. First one is we can achieve thread in two ways. First one is we can achieve threads in two ways. First one is extend thread class. Second one is by implementing runnable interface.